Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to stop iPhone from showing suggested photos on lock screen wallpaper. Let's have a look. First, open Settings app, scroll down little bit and tap Photos. Again scroll down and find out Show Featured Content. Allow featured photos and memories to automatically appear on this device in place such as For You and Search in Photos and in Widgets. Turn off Next Show Featured Content. That's it. Go back to Settings and close Settings app. Now long press on your iPhone lock screen. Tap plus sign on bottom right and Suggested Photos hidden. So these are the steps to stop iPhone from showing suggested photos on lock screen wallpaper. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.